Hi, good afternoon. My name is Arnold Karoff, and I want to talk to you about some of the properties of water, mainly hydration and how water works and how it gets into the cell. Cornell University said the other day that 93% of the people that you and I know are walking around chronically dehydrated. Now, they're not dehydrated because they're not drinking water, but they're dehydrated because the water they're drinking is not getting into their cells. In 2003, a gentleman named Peter Agre, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry when he discovered that the water channel had a positive electrical charge. That water channel is called an aquaporin, and that's what I wanted to discuss with you a little bit today. It's known as the gatekeeper. It has a positive electrical charge, so anything that has a positive charge is going to repel. It's not going to be drawn into it. The other thing that we're going to talk about is alkalinity. Does it contribute life to you, or does it take away energy from you? Okay, so our oceans are alkaline. It's where life is existing. We've all heard of acid rain. Acid rain is not good. Waters that are acidic, they contribute to acidosis. So we're going to talk a little bit about that. I've taken three of the most popular water that is sold in our country, and we're going to look at those, and we're going to discuss how they actually work first. We're going to take some Dasani water right here, and I'm going to pour some in this cup. We're going to take some Ozark. We're going to take some Aquafina. By the way, Coca-Cola and Pepsi, they sell more water than all their cola products combined. It's amazing. And then we've got a popular high alkaline water over here that is full of electrolytes straight from the earth, yada, 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 all kind of buzzwords in it. But we're looking at the alkalinity of this water to begin with. So let's drop some pH drops in it to see what we got. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I am going to pour some of our water made from our living water appliance into this cup. And we will drop 3 drops in it also. 1, 2, 3. And as I stir these real quickly, and put a white back behind them, you can see that the 3 in the center are acidic. About a 5.0. Over here, this specialty water, it's about a 9. And if we come over here to water made from our living water appliance, it's about a 10. But that's only part of it, right? You remember I said the water has to get into the cell, and that the Peter Agre won that Nobel Prize by discovering that water channel had a positive electrical charge. So what I've got here is a cup that represents a water channel. And I've got even the little bitty ziggy on the front that shows that. So if we take these waters here, these popular beverages, and we try to get them into the water channel, it doesn't go in. This is the Dasani water, and it has a positive charge. The Aquafina, it's gone up and up and up. It also has a positive electrical charge. This is actually Ozark. It's over 100. And the Aquafina, it also has a positive electrical charge. The Bio water, it's at 110. It also has a positive electrical charge. And we're going to taste the water made from the living water appliance right here. And it's falling like a rocket. In order for water to work, it's got to get into your cell. It must hydrate you. And our living water appliance, it does exactly that. It creates negative 200 plus. It's going straight into the cell. So once again, water that's alkaline, alkalinity is important as it is. If it doesn't get into the cell, it doesn't hydrate you. Our living water, I want you to pay attention closely to this. Because of the negative electrical charge, it sucks the water off the table and right into the cell. Tremendously hydrating. It's what you're looking for when you're trying to flush fat, waste, and toxins out of your cells. You need to be drinking a water that has a negative electrical charge.